विधानसभा अधिवेशन 25 जानेर ते 29 जानेर मजगती जावपाचें आसा. तारांकीत प्रश्न तातूंत सुमार 195 जाल्यार अतारांकीत प्रश्न सुमार 556 आसात. कॉलिंग अटेन्शन दिसाक 3दां आसतलें म्हूण सभापती राजेश पाटणेकर हांणी म्हायती दिल्या. आरडीएक्स गोवा ब्युरो रिपोर्ट.
थोड्या दिसांनी असेंब्ली सेशन आसतलें. कितले दिसाचें आसतलें आनी कितें कितें डिस्कशन आसतलें?
Assembly sessions from 25th to 29th. Out of that, 4 days are working. Because 26th is the Republic Day. That is the holiday. So it is 4-day working session.
कितली क्वेश्चन येतली?
Around about star 192 get there, sir. And star around about 500 and something. So it is total approximately around about 700 more.
इफाट कॉलिंग अटेन्शन एक कितें वाडयलां मेळटलें?
3 केले दिसा.
दिसाक 3 केले. So overall opposition एक टाइम मेळटलो because it is a short span of time.
Yeah, that's right.
So any bills are there? Any bills are there?
Private bills are there, government bills are there.
Okay. Sir, one more thing issue is that there have been time and again delay on this disqualification petition. What is your say on that?
See, I can't pass any comments because the case is presently under sub judice.
Subject.
That's right.
Okay. Thank you.